Good morning, students. So I'm here again with a new topic in our literature, lesson 12, Mary and the Garden. So today we'll see the introduction part of this lesson. Thereafter we'll have the reading and explanation part by part in the following classes. So before we start this lesson, I would like to read about the author who is written this particular extract. So kindly follow your book, page 99, about the author. Frances Eliza Hodgson Burnett, 1849-1924, was a novelist and playwright, born in England in a well-to-do family. She was the eldest of 5 children. In 1865, they moved to the US, where Frances set up a little school and wrote short stories and poems for magazines to supplement their income. She soon became a literary success, and although she wrote plays and fiction for adults, it is her 3 children's novels, Little Lord Fauntleroy, 1885, A Little Princess in 1905, and The Secret Garden, 1911, which brought her fame. So this particular lesson, Mary and the Garden, is taken from The Secret Garden. So let us see what about this lesson is about in short. Mary and the Garden is a short extract taken from her story, The Secret Garden. Mary and the Garden is an extract from Frances Hodgson Burnett's classic The Secret Garden. This is a classic story. It's like a play type. Mary Lennox is a little girl who finds it difficult to adjust to life in England under her uncle's care. As we go ahead with the lessons, you will find Mary Lennox is the main character in this particular lesson, and she is an orphan, and she lives with her uncles, and she has come down to England, and she was finding so difficult to adjust life in England. Though through a maid she finds out about a secret garden on the premises of her uncle's manor that has been kept closed for the last 10 years. So she was finding so difficult. She tried to go about with one of the servant of that particular house of her uncle, and finally with some indications she finds a secret door, a secret garden, a door to a garden. And uncle's manor means like a landed estate. It's a very vast estate with a mansion in it. It's a very big what is it called, dances, dramas, so much of what is that, so dance parties, everything was held in that particular. It's a vast area, and very highly kingly people were using this type of mansions. So while she goes about, she found this. And how many years since it was closed? It was closed for 10 years. Mary accidentally, or through divine intervention, we can say accidentally, by mistake, or divine intervention, means it's a God's plan, finds the key and the door to the secret garden, and her life changes from there. So somehow, as we read this lesson, you will see how a bird helps Mary to find the key to the secret garden. This excerpt describes how Mary chances upon the garden while taking a walk in grounds of the manor house. All this happens, so she went for a walk and she meet a bird. Slowly she finds the help of that bird, and some indications is given. That's what it's told, accidentally or divine intervention. So she, all of a sudden, after 10 years, she finds the key to the secret garden filled with full of leaves, everything. But she finds it and she get inside. And this is only this much. So she get inside the garden. Thereafter, the story here is an end. Thereafter, the story to know, you have to go for the Google search for the Secret Garden, the complete novel, the complete classical story, you will get it. So in the next class, we'll read it part by part and I'll explain to you so that we'll know what about the Frances Eliza's Secret Garden all about. So try to read it before I take the class. In the following classes, I will come with a part by part reading and the explanation of the lesson. Thank you.